I don't really know what comes next, I'm just doing.
I am inspired by the people I meet on my travels, hearing their stories, seeing the difficulties they have overcome, their optimism and fundamental courtesy. It's important to make sure that we talk to each other in a way that heals, not in a way that hurts. Nothing can block the power of the millions of voices calling for change. It may look gloomy tonight, but if we keep holding on to hope, tomorrow will be brighter. Change is never fast. Change is never simple or without controversy. Change depends on persistence. Change requires determination. Where you are now doesn't have to determine where you will end up. Hope is the belief that destiny will not be written for us, but by us, by men and women who are dissatisfied with the world as it is, who have the courage to remake the world as it should be. Don't say we can't change. Yes, we can. Yes, we can change. Yes, we can. Change is never easy, but it is always possible. Each of us deserves the freedom to pursue our own version of happiness. No one deserves to be bothered. Change happens because ordinary people do extraordinary things. Have you noticed that if there is a hard way and an easy way, you always choose the hard way? Why do you think so? If you are walking on the right path and you are willing to keep going, eventually you will make progress. Money isn't the only answer, but it makes a difference. We know that the battle ahead will be very long, but always remember that whatever obstacles are in our way, nothing can stand in the way of the millions of people who are calling for change. The best way not to feel discouraged is to get up and do something. In the face of impossible odds, the people who love this country can change it. You can't let your failures define you. You have to let your failures teach you. Freedom of religion doesn't mean you can force others to live by your own beliefs. Don't wait for good things to happen to you. If you go out and make some good things happen, you will fill the world with hope. You will fill yourself with hope. People on earth can live together in peace. We know that it is God's vision. Now it is our duty on earth. Reading is important. If you know how to read, then the whole world is open to you. If you have been successful, there is one great person somewhere in your life, and he is your teacher. I think when you spread wealth around you, it's good for everyone. If we are not willing to pay the price for our worth, we must ask ourselves, do I really believe in them? Nobody writes your destiny for you. You write your own destiny. You make your own future. There are people in the world who only think of themselves. They don't care what happens to other people as long as they get what they want. All we can do is live our lives to the best of our ability with purpose, love and joy. What comes out of this moment is not whether we can sit together tonight, but whether we can go to the office together tomorrow. Each of you has something that you are good at. Every one of you has something to offer.